state treasurer why he thinks this review is necessary.
State Treasurer Steve Grossman has directed the state pension fund to take a hard look at investments in gun companies in response to the tragic shootings at Sandy Hook Elementary School. Though Grossman stopped short of calling for complete divestment from gun companies, he said Massachusetts has a right to know how pension funds are invested. The state pension owns shares in Springfield gun maker Smith & Wesson. Shares of the company have dropped more than 10% since Friday.
I think there'll be a clear message sent that this kind of weaponry should not be made by companies in this country. They should not be on the streets. They should not be sold. And that perhaps we should not own those.
Grossman said the pension fund owns stock in 9,000 companies all over the world. It's up to the state legislature to determine what investments in them should be banned. Christine Lee, Twitch News.
A solemn moment today at the makeshift memorial for school shooting victims in Newtown, Connecticut. Emergency responders in full dress uniforms slowly walked past the memorial at the entrance to Sandy Hook Elementary School. The group paused and bowed their heads in a moment of silence to honor the victims. Funerals for 4 of the victims were held today. President Obama is asking a team led by Vice President Joe Biden to offer concrete proposals to curb gun violence no later than next month in the aftermath of the massacre at Sandy Hook. Obama says after he receives recommendations from Biden's group, he will push the legislation without delay. Biden, a longtime gun control advocate, will lead a team that will include members of Obama's administration and some outside groups. California Senator Barbara Boxer announced this morning she will introduce federal legislation to strengthen school security. Boxer said she is proposing 2 measures that will provide state and local officials with much-needed money and resources to help secure school campuses. One of her ideas is to use National Guard troops to secure the campuses.
This could take the form of additional guards at school, as well as capital improvements such as strengthening the perimeters of the school and safety procedures.
Since the 1999 massacre at Columbine High School, 258 students, teachers, and others have been killed, and school students. East Hampton police are cracking down on drivers who do not stop for pedestrians and crosswalks. 22 News reporter Enritis Rodriguez joins us with details on how they're increasing police presence in East Hampton.
Well, the efforts come 2 months after a Williston, Northampton student was struck by a car while trying to cross Park Street last October. East Hampton Police Chief Bruce McMahon told 22 News he's increased patrol around the crosswalks located on Main and Park Street. So as a result, in the last 10 days, police have cited 50 drivers for failure to yield. Police say the efforts have garnered positive feedback from them.
Because cars aren't stopping. I know I always
You being a good bird?
I noticed this morning that people did stop.
You being a good birdie?
Sometimes, especially
Hi.
on Union Street
Hi.
and Cottage Street, it can be hard to see
Hello.
who's in the crosswalk.
Hello.
That student was taken to the hospital
Hello.
and
Hi.
treated for minor injuries, and
Free
efforts to
bird.
improve crosswalk safety are also happening here in Northampton. On Halloween night, a Greenfield doctor was struck by a car on Route 10. He later died from his injuries. Live from our Hampshire County Bureau in Northampton, Enritis Rodriguez, 22 News.
A planned shift in policy has some
Bird.
Instagram users worried about protecting their pictures. WWLP.com's Tony Fay explains what the photo sharing website plans to do and what that means for you.